The bull market is officially done. Now, you don't have to believe it. You can buy the dip. Sure, go ahead, do it. I wouldn't, though, because there's plenty more money to be made on the short side by buying put options on a lot of these stocks that are trading at their all-time highs. You know how the saying goes, buy low, sell high. When you're shorting stocks, the reverse is true. You want to short them at the very, very top, and it doesn't happen very often. But right now, the markets are presenting us with just that great of an opportunity. So some of you, of course, are mesmerized by the last 2 months of how the market just keeps going higher and higher and higher. And the very first day it drops, what do you say? Oh, are you kidding me? I'm not going to short this thing. Are you nuts? It's going to rebound. It's going to bounce. It's going to bounce right back. That's exactly what most of the traders were telling me on Monday morning. They're like, I'm afraid to short the market. I'm afraid to do it. What do you mean? What do you mean you're shorting Netflix? It's too scary. It's going higher. No, it's going to 500. I can't short it here. Yet, all the stocks were unanimously lower. And of course, it doesn't look that scary anymore. However, I want to point out two things. And, one of the things that I do, I watch the markets very carefully, pre-market and after-market, to derive some to get some data on where the markets could be going in the following few days. And a lot of times, some of the lows that are set pre-market or after-market, they're going to be revisited. And at this point, I wanted to bring your attention to this low that was set on Monday. And if you didn't wake up too early this morning, like I did, but around 5 in the morning, the markets were actually about to revisit that low about 2,700. They actually stopped at about 2,705. Okay, so sometimes these numbers, they're not going to be exact, but they're going to be pretty close. Oftentimes, it could also be the other way around. The market could have pre-market gone to, let's say, 27.96 or 27.98. So it could be a few points higher, it could be a few points lower. What I'm trying to say is the market is going to retest that level again, but this time it could get pretty scary. How scary? Well, we could see S&P 500 back to 2,600 where we were roughly 30, 45 days ago. Why would I say something like this? Well, again, just like as we're observing with some of the key leading individual stocks like Amazon and Netflix, okay, that's been leading the market. Just please don't forget, it's because of the fan stocks that a lot of the market have rallied. They carry a weight of almost 30, 40% of the indexes, right? So what are we seeing? We're seeing a multi-top formation here. This is Monday when the stocks were tanking, dropping significantly lower. And observe this. Yes, the stocks and the markets are going higher again for 2 days. But look where they stopped today. That's exactly the same point where they started dropping on Monday. So it's not surprising to me that they're having a hard time struggling, going above that level. Now, the most important thing out of all of this is noticing that when the stocks are in the red, when they're actually selling off, the volume spikes higher. And when they're going higher, the volume actually slows down. So in my view, we're going to retest that 2,700 level here in the near future, in not so distant future. And once we're there, if the volume is picking up, look, we could be at 2,600 in no time. And I know a bunch of you are not going to believe that. That's fine. I'm just looking for the few that will, and the few that will take action and benefit themselves from placing some of these trades. Okay? If you are looking to learn more about trading options, if you're looking to learn more about charts, if you're looking to learn more about divergences, a great place to start with it, just simply click a few links below this video and take action now. I think the markets are going to move pretty quick, and I sure would like for you to take advantage of this. So don't waste any time. Life is too short. Click the links below. Thanks for watching.